Hey, we're in my bathroom today because I'm getting the remnants of my red out of my hair and then dyeing it roughly close to my natural red, which is like a blondish brown at the moment. I'm doing this very last minute because I want to take photos tomorrow because I'm going to like a deer farm animal thing, Fonderosa. I'm wearing my color shirt even though you can't really tell because my hair is covering it. But I have my color remover, 2 boxes of color, about 30 gloves, about 40 brushes, towels everywhere, because if I get color anywhere, my mom will kill me. So, we're avoiding that at all costs. And my movie of choice, my MacBook just restarted. My movie of choice was gonna be Scott Pilgrim vs. the World because I'd never seen it, and a friend recommended it to me. So I'm gonna brush my hair and section my hair up, and then time lapse most of this. So we'll see where we get. I'm gonna be rocking a mohawk for a little bit, but it's somewhat sectioned. Let's see how fast I can do this. Hopefully it's not too long. I didn't think about how this is gonna be harder than when I did it the first time because I had my mirror. I don't have a mirror this time. So I might have to get up every once in a while or really trust the process. Well, better late than never. Instructions are, I don't remember. It's been a little too long since I last did this. But they were like relatively straightforward from what I remember. This was such a bad idea. I put fake nails on yesterday because I lost my like entire pinky nail, so I put on press-ons, not thinking about how I was gonna do my hair today. So, 1.0 bottle with replace rose cap applicator 2. 2. More entire contents of 1 into 2. Replace cap. Auto clean shake off for 30 seconds. Apply. Hopefully seems very straightforward. So, let the time lapse commence. So, color remover is in my hair. Hopefully, I got all of it. I don't remember doing this, but I think it's because I had Amanda help me. So thank you, Amanda, for helping me last time because I'm hoping that I hit everything. But my hair feels very wet, and now I get to sit and process for 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. 20 minutes, and then I have to wash it out for 20 minutes. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. So I'll be back in Once I'm done washing my hair out, I'll be back. Okay, I just got out of the shower. I've dried my hair a teeny bit. I'm nervous that it's gonna be like really bad. Oh.
Huh?
So it's not as red as it was before.
What?
It's blonde. It's gotten a little blonder. I wasn't expecting my roots to lift. I just wanted to get rid of some of this. So now I get to blow dry it and see if that makes it better. I think it looks a little less red, but I'm gonna go chat with my parentals and then come back and color it, because in some areas it looked lighter than others and it doesn't look the greatest. It's hot in here and the color oops kind of stinks, so lesson learned there, because I forgot that stinks so much, and I'm really happy I didn't use the other one, because the other one stinks like so much more. Okay, so this is it, like better in better lighting. Again, it's still not like blonde, but it's a lighter blonde than it was. But now that I've showed my parents and they agree that my hair stinks because of the color remover, now I'm gonna put color in it. And I'm doing this color. I did a darkerish brown because I didn't know how light my hair would lift, and I didn't want to get like a dark brown because I'm trying to stay relatively light blonde, but I didn't want to get blonde because the next brightest blonde was platinum. Hey chat, I don't think that's platinum. So we're gonna color it now. And that shouldn't take, I mean, that should probably take it just about the same time. So. Twist off A, discard, understood. Open B, put B into A, put C into A. Okay, it says to do my roots first, except I'm just gonna kind of do everything. I'm gonna work my way from the bottom to the top. So I'm like 40 minutes into Scott Pilgrim versus the World. So far, it's just okay. Some of it's funny. Would I say it's the best? No, but I also think some movies are the greatest of all time. This always feels like it's about to burst in my head. I can't do that above. Sorry, team. You'll have to imagine, because this feels like it's gonna burst. And just like that, in the end. There we go. For the next hour. I started this at 6:40, and it's 8:20 right now. Dang, it took me an hour to color all my hair. Very loosely the same. I'm just gonna put a clump on the top of my head and put that on top of my head. I don't know why this one turned out a little bit easier than the last one, but here we go. Okay, I just finished putting the color in, and now I get to sit for, I think, like 25 minutes. So
a few moments later.
Okay, I just got done waiting to color it, or done coloring it and washing it, and I don't see a change, but it's not supposed to be a big one. It just needs to look relatively better than I did. It looks a little weird in some spots, but once again, we're gonna dry it and see how that turns out quick. It's not like fully dry, which is kind of throwing me off, but it is not as red. And the camera makes it look really, really light. So I'm gonna show you guys in the morning because it's like 10. And again, I started this at 6:40 and it's 10 now. So I'm gonna let it dry overnight. I'll show you guys in the morning. I don't know where the frog and tortoise would be though.